Here I am today with my Lookiero box. My name's Fawn and this is my channel and I try to make it a happy place. Sometimes I don't succeed. You may have seen one where I was pretty miserable the other day and I can only apologise, guys. I like to do unboxings and fashion and hauls and reviews and a little bit of home stuff at the moment. So if you like that kind of thing, then please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave a comment. So Lookiero, after waiting so long for the one that was due over Christmas, this one came really quickly. If I'm honest, a bit too quickly. I wasn't expecting it. So I didn't give poor Zahara very much feedback. That means this box could be brilliant or it could be dreadful and not Zahara's fault. So I just want to put that out straight away. Lookiero works like most boxes. It costs £10 a month. You don't have to have it every month. You can have it once a month. You can have it once a year. You can have it for a special occasion. You can get in touch with them and say, can you send me 5 dresses suitable for a wedding? And they'll send them to you for £10. If you keep nothing, the £10 is gone. But if you keep something, the £10 comes off the price of that item. If you're really lucky, you like all 5 things in the box and you get 20% off, I think. I always get that bit wrong. Anyway, let's go for it. You open the box and inside you have bundles and an envelope. And inside that envelope then you have, oops, a thing about spreading the word, your invoice, which I won't look at, a note from your stylist and a styling card. These used to be all separate little pieces of card. I far prefer it as a letter, where she puts the items, I don't know what ones they are of each section, and shows you different ways you could style them. Again, I'm not going to look. I love the surprise. So let's see what Zahara had to say. Hi Fawn, it's a real pleasure to see you again. I'm sorry to see that the last selection wasn't the best. I keep in mind your comments and hope you love these new looks. Then she goes on to list the items, so I'm not going to read that. But it says anything in particular we should focus on for your next Lookiero, Zahara. Now, it's no wonder she's put that on the bottom because, as I say, I don't think I gave her any feedback on the last box, other than when I returned the items. But generally, I put a note in for her, and I don't think I did. So, my bad, Zahara, I'm sorry. Moving on. So, I have 2 bundles. Whoops. And then inside, I have a clear bag. Now, it used to have the postage label on it. It doesn't anymore. You have to go to the DPD site and print off your own label, which is not as good. Come on, Lookiero, it's not as good. Anyway, let's get into the bundles. So, what is in here? I'm liking the print on this already. Okay, so this is, oh, a short-sleeved shirt. It's got little cap sleeves. I always prefer a bit more of a sleeve, but that's nice. At least it has a sleeve. It's a lovely thin cotton. Definitely work through into spring and summer. Not the longest in the world. Button through down the front, and then it has, can you see the pattern? I really like that pattern. I think that's a great pattern. That is by, who's it by? It is by Maranta. Never heard of them. I like it though. Then we have, oh, a cardigan. It's a nice cardigan, to be fair. It is a nice cardigan. It's stripy. Oh, it's as itchy as anything. I mean, it is. It's a really nice cardigan. I just wish I could wear them. It's got a tie waist. No buttons to fasten it, I don't believe. Let me just check. No buttons. It's thin. So it would be a good spring cardigan. It's just whether or no I could actually wear it. I'm not sure. That's by Vera Moda. I like the colours on that. That will work through. It's just me. Me and my itchiness. Me and my hotness. I'm not a very easy customer, I don't think. And then my second bundle. Okay. So this starts off with a cream long-sleeved top. I like that. I mean, we've all agreed that cream is not my colour, but as a layering, maybe. Lovely long sleeves. It has a straight hem at the bottom, and then it has this open neck. I really like, I don't know if you can see, there's sort of a ribbon there. That is really, really stylish actually. Whether the colour's going to work for me, I don't know, but it is a very stylish shirt, and it's by Tom Taylor. Next is a very similar, this is funny, but completely different fabric. This is a black, no sleeves. I think it'll sort of hang off the arm a little bit, but not actual sleeves. Let me see. It's, again, one of those necks that flap open. It's not a button through, which I always like. Now, there's something weird about it. Is there more than one fabric going on here? Yes, there is. So the back of it is a t-shirty kind of fabric, not much stretch in it, but a t-shirty kind of fabric. And the front of it is a sort of a chiffon overlaid over the cotton. I'm not explaining that very well, but let me see if I can show you. Here we go. So there's the t-shirt. So the back and the front are made out of that, but then the front has this chiffon that goes over the top. It has a pocket, and it's by a company called França. Again, never heard of them. And last but not least is a pair of jeans. Oh, I really want some jeans, but I've got so twitchy, guys. These are by Vera Moda. Oh, they're looking small in the waist. Straight leg, kind of a faded black, faded dark grey. Not entirely sure. Not convinced. I mean, these are high-waisted, which is great. Just not convinced they'll fit, because I am chutch at the moment in the middle. Yeah, there's some stretch, but not a huge amount, but they are nice. And did I say they're by Vera Moda? Anyway, let's go and try this lot on. So first outfit, the jeans. I had to lay on the bed to do them up. It reminded me of being a teenager again, but they do up. I mean, there's too much here. We all know I'm having weight issues at the moment, but I don't like them anyway. They are the sort that wrinkle really badly. I don't know if you can see. They look, yeah, they're just not pleasant at all. They don't lie nicely on me. I can't think of the right words to say. Show you the back. Because I'm in them. The pockets feel really low. That is sort of below my bottom. I prefer the pockets were more up here, which I think would lift my butt, whereas this sort of makes my butt sort of go down into the leg of the trousers. I don't have the best butt in the world anyway, but I definitely don't want anything that drags it down. You know, my bum is sort of ending here, according to the pockets. And as I say, they're very wrinkly in the legs, so I'm not keen, but I am pleased I managed to get them on. This is the top with the chiffon over the t-shirt. It's a nice enough top. I'll come in. It's a nice enough top, guys. If I didn't have 3 million black tops, I might consider it. But I do have 3 million. And I'm not keen on this layer over layer. I am a hot person. I know that's only chiffon, but it's still another layer on top for me. Pockets in a nice enough place. As I say, it doesn't have sleeves. It just has the shoulder sort of drops. It's nice enough. It just not setting my heart on fire. And as I say, as you'll know if you've watched me, I've kept a couple of black tops lately, and I already had quite a lot. If I got them all together, I've got a lot. In fact, I might have to do a 5 on Friday with them fairly soon. But I have a lot of black tops, so it just doesn't. There's no need for it. Okay, I'm in love with this top. This is. Yeah, this is so easy. This is just easy wear. It's cotton. It's beautifully finished. I hadn't noticed, but it has like a band that goes a double thickness of the fabric around the bottom to give it a tiny bit of weight and structure. It has the small sleeves. As I said, I prefer longer sleeves, but you know, I don't think it's horrific on the back, considering I'm wearing jeans that are pushing all my excess up top. It's buttoned through. It wants to gape a tiny touch of that. Tiny, can be sorted, no problems. And I like these sorts of colours. I know they're subdued, and I know I've been looking to brighten my wardrobe, but there is still a place for this sort of colour and this sort of pattern, which is so simple. I come in so you can see the pattern really well. It's such a simple pattern, you know, with a little black skirt, etc. It's going to work, and I love the V-neck. So this will be staying. Okay, this is the cream top. I'm surprised by how much I like it. The fit is great. Considering the jeans, as I say, are pushing up, and so I'm getting a fat line here. Wouldn't normally be there, so I'm ignoring it. It really is a lovely top. But it's that same old problem. The colour is not good on me. It's a cream rather than a white. But funnily enough, I actually think white is kinder than cream on me. It's a lovely fit, as I say. It's so, so comfortable. It feels quality. It really does. It feels very, very good quality. It isn't stretchy, which I thought it was. It's not stretchy, but it feels like a cotton jersey fabric without the stretch. I really like, again, I'm going to come in. I really like the neckline on it. I think that is such a flattering neckline. You're not showing loads, but you're giving a hint of flesh. And the ribbon that they've used, I would imagine, yeah, maybe cross grain ribbon, I think is lovely. I am really impressed with this. And if this was in a different colour, this would be staying. If this had been navy or green, or any colour that works for me, this would have been, and okay, yeah, imagine this in a mustardy yellow. But because it's cream, it just doesn't work for me. But for lots of you ladies out there, it will. And boy, this feels lovely, and it feels such good quality. I would imagine that this is going to wash and wear and look superb. Now I'm just going to slip the cardigan on, because I think it was intended to go with this, and we'll see what we think. Last but not least, the cardigan. It does nothing for me, guys. Slim people can wear this, apples can't. I am an apple, so this really pronounces that. It is itchy, but it's not, I think because I'm wearing a long sleeve top, it's not driving me mad. I couldn't have worn it with a short sleeve top, but if you don't feel itchy with wools, then you're going to be fine. I think it's lovely. It's not me, but I think it's a really, really nice cardigan. I've got friends who are blondes, and they wear a lot of, I'm saying friends, one of them's in Australia, but they're blondes, and they wear a lot of creams and browns, and you see a lot of it in Pinterest and so on. So it's a great, great, great cardigan. Just isn't a me cardigan. My shape with this, I think the lines are wrong for someone like myself. I'll give it another turn. It's a lovely cardigan though. Funny enough, I can see my mother in this, because she's a blonde with blue eyes, and she isn't an apple. Lucky dab. So that's it. Okay, so now it's the scary bit, which is the money. It's never quite as bad on Lookiero. They tend to be slightly more sensibly priced, I think, than Stitch Fix, but then you find some great things on Stitch Fix too, so I can't resist doing them both. We'll start off with the black top. This is the France glasses. This is the France Zawov shirt. It's in a UK 16 and it is $34.99. Not a bad price, but it wasn't me, and as I say, too many black things already. I'll be giving Zahara a nice long list of things because I realised the poor girl's working in the dark slightly. Next is the Vera Moda. Is that right? Hang on, make sure I've got it right. Yeah, the Vera Moda cardigan is the next thing on the list. As I say, lovely, actually, really lovely. It's called the Vermizabella in light brown. This was in a size 18, thank goodness, and that was £48, which, what would we say? Yeah, that's not bad actually, because it does feel nice. It is nice wool. It's, you know, it doesn't feel acrylic-y and nasty. Probably is acrylic, but it's one of those that feels very good. The jeans. Now I kept the jeans on to find out how much they would stretch, and actually if I liked these, if the legs worked for me, weren't doing that wrinkle, these would actually be really good jeans because they were stretching out. I could feel them stretching out, and they were actually quite comfortable, even though I was doing that awful muffin top thing, which, you know, hopefully will sort itself out as I lose some weight. Not that I've started yet. So yeah, these were Vera Mode as well. These were called, hold up, Laura jeans. Oh, I see, the VM is, yeah, Laura jeans, just in black they're calling them. These were a size 18. I am an 18, a true 18. So it's no wonder I was actually able to tolerate them. But as I say, the legs were just doing, sorry, just doing that kind of wrinkly thing, and I didn't like it. Whereas the last ones I had, the legs were fabulous. If only they'd had the higher waist. So it's finding that, isn't it? Jeans, they're elusive. The cream top, this was the Tom Taylor cream top, which I love. If that had come in a colour as opposed to cream, I would have been all over this. This is, you know, it really is. It's a nice thing. This is in a size 18. I wonder if that's right. Is that right? Size 18. Oh, and it's £32.50. They're just calling it the fabric shirt. And it is that. It is a fabric shirt. It's got that feel of a shirt because there's no stretch to it. But I liked it a lot. I'm definitely going to say to Zahara, if this comes in a colour, could she include it next time? Because I'd really like to try it in a nice colour because I liked the shirt a lot. Then last but not least is the one that I really do like. I'm going to watch back. I'm thinking at the moment this is going to stay. That's what I think. I'm going to watch back the video because sometimes when I look at it on video I think, oh, I didn't know it looked quite like that. So, but at the moment provisionally I'm going to keep it. This is the one by Maranta. It's called Maranta Palm Top Print, fair enough, in dark green. The sizing on it is an 18 and it is £40.90. That's a lot, isn't it? £40.90 for a cotton shirt. Oh, I'll definitely have to look on video because I really like it, but do I like it £40? Is it £40 worth of look? I don't know. So there we go. That was my latest Lookiero, which came so quickly. As I say, they've changed the rules now with returning things. You have to go online and print off. It's far more complicated. I don't know why they've done it. This will be my first trial run at it. And as I say, I didn't give Zahara the information that I should have. I do feel badly for Zahara. So Zahara, if you do watch this, I am so sorry, girl. And I will put a lot more notes in because there are a lot of little things that I need now to try and pull together some of the other things that I've bought. I've got quite a lot of black tops, I'm lacking bottoms, etc. I might have to have a box that's predominantly bottoms. That'll be really good for my ego, won't it? Anyway, that was me. That was Lookiero for the month of March. And I'll see you all really soon. Bye guys.